Hey, Dax here of Pitstop Pilipinas. May iba sa inyo ang nagtanong kung bakit walang Filipino driver sa Formula 1. Ang una nating sasagutin dyan is ano ba yung typical na pathway para maging Formula 1 driver ka. Unang-una, you have to start really early, as young as 7 years old hanggang 9 years old. So dito, kailangan mag-start ka na mag-karting for you to gain experience and then for you to have that driving skills na required for single-seater open-wheel racing. So sa Pilipinas and then pati na rin sa Southeast Asian region, meron naman mga karting races para sa mga batang to. Isa na dyan yung National Karting Series and then yung Rotax Max and the Asian Karting Open Championship. After that, during your teenage years, you have to enter na yung Formula 4. So yung Formula 4, ito yung entry level sa single-seater and then sa open-wheel racing. This is where you can refine your racecraft and yung knowledge mo in terms of race strategies, of course, sa mga setup ng mga kotse. Pero for you to enter a Formula 4 series, you have to have at least $300,000 of funding. Sa mga aspiring F4 racers, they have to have major sponsors para masustain yung kanilang racing career. You will have a major advantage kapag nakatira ka sa Europe kasi dito na rin nyo ma-access yung mga racing academies like yung racing academy ng McLaren, ng Ferrari, and then yung Red Bull. Then kapag nakakuha ka ng major sponsor and nakita ka ng mga scouts na may talent ka, you will have the chance to advance sa Formula 3 series. This is now where you can build your exposure as a race driver, and kapag consistent ka sa mga race results mo, for example, may mga podiums ka and then also race wins, you will have the chance to advance sa Formula 2. And dito na nga sa Formula 2, nagsascout yung mga team principals for their racing academies para tuloy-tuloy yung kanilang roster ng mga drivers. And because you now have a global exposure, you really have to prove na may talent ka by getting podiums and then race wins. And if you can, you should be able to get at least one championship para mas lumaki yung chance mo to become an F1 driver. And gusto ko ring idagdag sa Formula 3 and then sa Formula 2. This is where you can earn your super license points. Kasi sa Formula 1, kailangan at least 18 years old ka. And then at least you have to have 40 super license points para makapag-race ka sa Formula 1. And I think sa Formula 2, kapag naging champion ka, automatic magkakaroon ka ng 40 points. And then kung runner-up ka naman, 30 points. Sa Formula 3, kapag naging champion ka, meron kang 30 points kaagad. May potential na Filipino driver na makapasok sa Formula 1. First, si Bianca Bustamante. And she is currently racing sa F4 UAE. And then, hopefully, makapasok siya sa Formula 3 para magkaroon siya ng super license points. And she really has to be consistent while getting podiums and then race wins for her to be considered sa Formula 1. And sa ngayon, siya yung may pinakamalaking potential na makapasok sa Formula 1. Not just the first Filipino Formula 1 driver, but the first female Formula 1 driver. And yung pangalawang may potential is si Inigo Anton, who is currently the rookie champion sa Formula 4 Southeast Asia. And the good thing about Inigo is that hindi lang siya magaling sa open wheel racing, sa mga single-seater. Naging champion na rin siya sa iba't ibang racing categories. For example, yung Vios Cup and then yung touring cars. And sabi nga ng iba, maganda yung racecraft at saka yung work ethics nitong si Inigo Anton. So for now, all he has to do is to continue racing sa Formula 4 Southeast Asia or sa Formula 4 Series sa Europe. And again, malaki yung kanyang potential na makapasok sa Formula 1 kasi nga bata pa tong si Inigo Anton. Yung pangatlong may potential is si William John Riley-Go, who has been a champion in several karting events. And he is currently racing sa karting series sa Europe. Maganda yung racing precision nitong si William John. And maganda rin yung kanyang professionalism and then yung kanyang work ethics. So yung next step sa kanya is for him to race sa Formula 4 series sa Europa. And hopefully makakuha siya ng major sponsors kasi nga batang-bata pa to si William John at age 16. Ang major challenge talaga is to find big sponsors and backing for them to be able to advance or to gain valuable super license points. And sana in the future magkaroon tayo ng magandang racetrack and then also a good program for our Philippine motorsports. Para na rin kahit yung mga local talented drivers, masimulan na yung kanilang training and for them to be able to advance sa mga higher racing divisions. So sa ngayon, pagtiyagaan muna natin na i-cheer si Alexander Albon Lumagila who is racing for Williams.